Yeah, sir.
Attempt this first word. Read it with proper vowel sign. Okay, no problem. I will read al-babu. Here it is a definite noun because al has been attached to the word bab. Babun is indefinite noun. When al is attached to it, it becomes definite. Al-babu, the door. Next is at-tajiru. At-tajiru means here we have to omit lam while pronouncing the word because it starts with hurufu shamsiya. Now we will be going to study about hurufu shamsiya and huruful qamariya in within few minutes inshallah. At-tajiru, the businessman. Here an-najmu, the star. Noon is also from the solar letters or hurufu shamsiya. Al-qamar, here lam is not omitted because of the next alphabet to the letter lam is from moon letters, that is huruful qamariya. Ad-diku, here dal is from huruful shamsiya. Al-qamar means the moon, ad-diku means the cock, al-ma'u means the water, mim is from huruful qamariya. As-sariru means the bed, sin is from huruful shamsiya, so lam is omitted while pronouncing. Al-baytu, the house. Here ba is from huruful qamariya. As-sariru means the bed. Al-masjidu, same here, mim. Al-masjidu, the mosque. Ar-rajulu, the man. Here ra is from huruful shamsiya. As-sukkaru means the sugar. Here same huruful shamsiya. Sin is from huruful shamsiya. Al-waraqu, waw is from huruful qamariya. Lam is not omitted while pronouncing. Al-waraqu means the page. Now here in these 6 examples, khabar has been given. We have to write appropriate mubtada. So can you attempt? Yeah. First one.
Yeah, sir. Ghaniyu.
Ghaniyun.
Yeah. At-tajiru ghaniyun.
Yes. Okay. Say the meaning.
The businessman is rich.
Okay. Good. Next. Sister Sheikh, can you attempt? Okay. Yes, carry on. Put the appropriate khabar in the second example. Okay, no problem. Uh, I think you are new, so you aren't able to say now. Okay, no issues. We will carry on. Okay. Uh, As-sukkaru qulwun. As-sukkaru means the sugar. Hulwun means sweet. As-sukkaru hulwun means the sugar is sweet. Next example, ar-rajulu maridun means the man is sick. Ar-rajulu is mubtada and maridun is khabar. Next, here we can say at-ta'amu lazizun means the food is tasty. Lazizun means tasty, delicious. Next, we can say at-tajiru or ar-rajulu tawilun means the businessman or the teacher is long, means yes, he has a very long height. He is very long. At-tajiru or al-mudarrisu here is mubtada and tawilun is khabar because the khabar is giving some information about the mubtada. Qasirun. Qasirun means short. Al-waladu qasirun. The boy is short. Now here we come to the topic al-huruful qamariyah and al-huruful shamsiyah. Al-huruful qamariyah are called as lunar letters or moon letters, and al-huruful shamsiyah are called as solar letters or sun letters. So out of 28 letters, 14 are al-huruful qamariyah and the remaining 14 are al-huruful shamsiyah. Now these are the column on the right are those letters which come under the category of al-huruful qamariyah. Hamza, ba, jim, ha, kha, ain, ghain. Next is fa, qaf, kaf, mim, waw, ha, and ya. All these are called as moon letters or al-huruful qamariyah. And the other column consists of the letters which are called as al-huruful shamsiyah. Those are ta, tha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, sheen, fod, dod, point, zoin, and last two are lam and noon. Now the characteristic of both these types of letters is in al-huruful qamariyah, whenever the alphabet comes after al, then that has to be pronounced. Like example, al-abu, al-babu means in these cases the lam of al won't be vomited while pronouncing. We have to pronounce lam too. And this hamza here, not this one, at the starting is called as hamzatul wasl. This hamzatul wasl will get dropped when any word precedes this al or this type of words. Okay, but right now there are no words before these words, then we have to pronounce it completely. Al-abu, al-babu, al-jannatu, al-khimaru. Now you can observe that all the letters after al are pronounced and the lam is also pronounced, whereas in this case lam is omitted while pronouncing. Now we will complete this list, then we will go to the list of al-hurufu shamsiyah. Al-khubzu, al-ainu, al-ghada'u, al-famu, al-qamaru, al-kalbu, al-ma'u, al-waladu, al-hawa'u, al-yadu. Now in this list you have observed that all the letters are getting pronounced while lam is also getting pronounced. Lam is not omitted. Now in this list, when we pronounce these words starting with al-hurufu shamsiya, at that point of time lam is omitted while pronouncing, but written they are not omitted while writing. So this is pronounced as at-tajiru. See, the lam is getting omitted while pronunciation. At-thawbu, ad-diku, az-zahabu, ar-rajulu, az-zahratu. See, lam is getting omitted. As-samaku, ash-shamsu, as-sadru, ad-dhaifu, at-talibu, al-zahru, al-lahmu, an-najmu. Now, from both these lists, you will come to know why such letters have been named in this fashion, al-huruful qamariya and al-huruful shamsiya. See, the qaf if in this is pronounced while lam is also pronounced, and here directly shin is pronounced after hamzatul wasal. So to make it easy, these have been categorized into two types, and the names have been given of the two natural signs, moon and sun, so that learning becomes easy. Okay. In this list also, what will happen whenever uh, any words precedes such words, then hamza will also get dropped while pronunciation. It will be written, it won't get omitted while writing. It will be visible while writing but omitted while pronunciation. Like I want to say hazat tajiru, means this is a businessman. So in this case alif and lam are written but not pronounced. Hazat tawbu, hazat diku, hazat zahabu. So see, you can see alif lam have been omitted in all these cases while pronunciation. Now I think you all have understood the concept of al-huruful qamariyah and al-huruful shamsiyah. Now let us see the meanings of these words. Al-abu means the father. Al-babu means the door. Al-jannatu means the garden. Al-khimaru means the donkey. Al-khubzu means the bread. Al-aynu means the eye. Al-ghada'u means food, or you can say lunch. In general, we can say food. Al-famu. Al-famu means the mouth. Al-qamaru means the moon. Al-kalbu means the dog. Al-ma'u means the water. Al-waladu means the boy. Al-hawa'u means the air. A-I-R, air. Al-yadu means hand, the hand. Now we come to this list. We will see the meanings of these words. At-tajiru means the businessman. At-thawbu means the dress, the apparel. Ad-diku means the cock, the rooster. Az-zahabu means the gold. Ar-rajulu means the man. Az-zaharatu means the flower. As-samaku means the fish. Ash-shamsu means the sun. As-sadru means the breast, or we can say Ad-dhaifu means the guest. At-talibu means the student. Az-zahru means the afternoon time. Al-lahmu means the meat. An-najmu means the star. So we have completed this concept. Alhamdulillah. Now we proceed further. Tamreen. Now, by keeping in mind all those uh, words given in both of the lists, we have to apply those rules here. Okay, so hope you all can attempt these exercises. Abdul Kalam, can you attempt the first one? This one. Hello.
Yes. Al-bayt.
Al-baytu. See, ba is from which list? Can you answer? Can you recall? It is ba is al-huruful qamariya. Okay. Next. Can anyone attempt? Those who can attempt.
Ad-diku.
Ad-diku. Okay, correct.
Hurufu shamsiya.
Correct. It is the solar letter. And
is from.
Yes, correct. Okay. Dal is from al-hurufu shamsiya. In this, lam is omitted while pronunciation. Yes. Next, who can attempt? Yes, carry on. Hello. Sister Sheikh, can you attempt?
Al-mudarrisu.
Yes, right. Meme is from which list?
And it's Al-huruful qamriyat.
Yes, right. Very good. Next, can anyone attempt?
Al-Babu.
Yes. Ba is from?
Ba is from Huruf al-Qamariya.
Correct. Al-Babu means the door. Next one.
At-Talibu.
At-Talibu. Ta is from?
Huruf al-Shamsiya.
Correct. Because here lam is getting omitted while pronunciation of the whole word. Whole word. Okay. At-Talibu means the student. Next.
As-Sukkaru.
Correct. Sin is from?
Huruf al-Shamsiya.
Correct. As-Sukkaru means?
Sugar. The sugar.
Okay, very good. Next, Sister Sheikh, can you attempt next one?
Al-daftaru.
Once again, please repeat.
Al-daftaru.
It is not al-daftaru, sister. It is ad-daftaru, like ad-diku. See here, it is
Okay.
ad-daftaru.
Yes.
So that is from al-hurufu shamsiya. Okay,
Al-huruf al-shamsiyat. Okay.
ad-daftaru means the notebook. Next one, who can attempt? Brother Abul Kalam, can you attempt the next one?
Al-aqu.
Right. Hamza is from?
Huruf qamriyat.
Yes, al-huruful
And
qamariya.
al-aqu means brother. The
Yes,
brother.
yes, you're right, the brother. Okay. Next one. Yes, brother Abdul Kalam. What is the next? This one.
Yes, sir.
Pardon?
Wait.
Okay, I will tell.
Al-Rasulu.
It is not ar-rasul. It is not al-rasulu, brother. It is ar-rasul. Because
Okay.
ra is from hurufu shamsiyah. So in this case, lam is getting omitted while pronunciation. Ar-rasulu. Okay. Ar-rasulu means
Okay.
the messenger. Next. Sister Aisha, can you attempt? You haven't attempted any question until now. Can you please attempt if you wish to? This one. Okay, anyone else? Hello? Anyone else?
Yeah, sir. Al-Wajhu.
Yes, correct. From which category it is? First one?
Huruf al-Qamariya.
Al-Huruful Amari. Right. Al-Wajhu. Al-Wajhu means the face. Okay?
Face. Yeah.
Okay. Next one. Next one. Sister Kausar. Next one.
As-sadiqu.
Okay.
Huruful shamsiyat. Here Sad is huruful shamsiyat.
Yes, right. Correct.
As-sadiqu means the truth. Right?
Here
Is it?
it means the friend. As-Sadiqu.
Friend. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Next one. Anyone else? Sister Aisha, I think you tried to attempt. You can attempt. Okay. You can attempt now. Okay. Anyone else?
Al-Qur'anu.
Al-Quran.
Al-Qur'anu.
Yes, right, brother. Qaf is from which category?
حروف القمرية.
Very simple. Qaf is same al-huruful qamariyah. Qaf al-Quran. Okay, because lam is getting pronounced here. Okay, al-Quran means the Quran. Next.
As-salat. As-salatu.
Oh, correct. Very good. What is the category of Fad?
Huruful Samsiyah.
Correct. Very good. As-salatu means the prayer. Okay. Next. Anyone from sisters? Next.
Al-Ka'batu.
Okay. Which category?
Al-Ka'batu.
Yes, right. You're right. Kaf is from which category?
Here, Kaf is Al-Huruful Qamariyat.
Yes, you're right.
The Kaaba. The House of Allah.
Yes, you're right. Okay. Next. Who would like to attempt? Next one. Brother Salim, you would like to attempt? You are welcome into our class. Salim Saimosa, you are welcome into the class. Can you attempt? We are going through the topic of Al-Huruful Shamsiyah and Al-Huruful Qamariyah. Okay. I think he is unable to hear our voice. So next example, who is going to attempt? Haya, can you attempt? Sister Haya, can you attempt this next one?
Yes. الرأس.
Ar-Ra'su.
Rise from. Yeah. الرأس.
Yes,
Rise
right.
from حروف الشمسية.
Yes, you're right. What does this mean? Can you say its meaning?
Yeah. الرأس mean head.
The head. Okay. Right. You are correct. You're right.
Yeah.
Next. Next, Brother Abul Kalam, please attempt the next one. Okay, Sister Sheikh, attempt next one. Okay, no issues. Al-Isba'u means the finger. Here, Hamza is from the list of Al-Huruful Qamariyah. Okay, next is Afamunu. Afamunu means the soap. Here, Fad is from Al-Huruful Shamsiyah. Al-Dhufru means the fingernail. Fingernail. Here, Dhoi is from the list of Al-Hurufu Shamsiyah. Al-Fajru means the dawn. Dawn means D-A-W-N. Very early morning. Okay. Al-Fajru. Here, Fa is from Al-Huruful Qamariyah. Al-Dhuhru. Here, Dhoi is from Al-Hurufu Shamsiyah. See, lam is getting omitted. Az-zuhru. Next is al-asru. Can anyone attempt? Ain is from which category? Brother Abdul Kalam. Ain is from which category?
Ruful Amaria.
Yes, very good. Al-Huruful Qamariya. Al-Asru means before sunset. We offer Asr Salah, that is same. Al-Asr. Okay. Next, Sister Sheikh, can you attempt the next? Only last two examples are remaining, so we will finish our meeting after this. Okay.
Al-Maghribu,
Okay.
and Mim is from Huruful Qamariyat.
Correct. And meaning means the same. Al-Maghribu means sunset time.
The time after.
Yes. Time after?
After sunset.
Yes, you're right. Okay. Next, Sister Haya, last example.
Yeah, sir. Al-Isha'u.
Okay.
Ain is from Huruful Qamariya,
Okay.
the time of Isha time.
Okay. Now, today we have finished the lesson number 3. Inshallah, I will be sending you the questions of all the 3 lessons, and you have to appear for the test and you have to write all the answers, okay, on a piece of paper, on a notebook, anywhere you feel better, and you have to send me in the group or on my personal number, okay. And we may also have a quiz on our Telegram group, not sure, but we may have, okay. Inshallah. In the next session we will start with our 4th lesson. Hope you all enjoyed today's session. Okay. Is there anyone who has any doubt about all these 3 lessons or about this lesson? You can ask me. Last 2 minutes are remaining. Brother Abdul Kalam, any doubt? Sisters, you can ask me.
No.
Okay, sure. Sisters, any one of you, if you have any problem, you can ask.
Sir?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Az-Zahabu means wolf, na?
Az-Zahab, this one. You mean to say this one? Okay.
In Huruful Shamsiya, we studied. Yeah,
Exam,
sir.
fourth,
Third one.
this one, 4th one.
A 4th one. Yeah, sir.
Az-Zahabu means the gold. G-O-L-D. Gold.
Gold. Okay.
The gold. Okay. Anything else? Okay, so we will end our meeting here. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good night.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi.